Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will walk you through steps on how to use Renderforest, a fantastic online platform for creating videos, logos, animation, mock-up, graphics, and websites. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just looking to make engaging visuals, Renderforest got you covered. First things first, let's start by navigating to the Renderforest website. Just make sure to sign up for an account. It's quick and free, so let's get started. Here's where the magic happens. Let's click the Start button and explore some of the key features as you can see on the screen right now. Well, in our case, we will use the logo feature. So, let's click this one, and it will bring us here where we can put our logo name. For example, let's say we're creating a tech company named Quantum Innovations. Then click the Generate button. As we can see in the upper part, we need to put a slogan, keywords, and add up some style. For example, let's use Unleashing Tomorrow's Technologies Today as our slogan. For keywords are quantum, innovation, and technology. Lastly, the styles we just let AI pick for us. Now click the Generate button, and just wait a second for the results. Now, let's find the logo that we want to use. So, let's choose this one. Now it will bring us to the part where we can customize our logo. First, I don't like the color of our main logo. I need to pick another color. Then after that, let's go to the text option. This is where we can change the font styles of all the letters, change the sizes, colors, and many more. Well, in our case, let's just use the font styles that are already in the template. Next, we will go to the icon part. This section will give us a lot of icons for us to use. Since our icon is really connected to our logo name, we will not change this one. We can also search for a possible icon that we want to use in this search bar. Next is the palette section. Here we can select a lot of color palettes. For example, let's choose another color palette. Next, we will go to the layout option. Here we can select a different kind of layout for our logo icon, logo name, and slogan. Let's pick another layout. I think this could be better. Lastly, let's go to the background option. I think you already know this section. This is where we can change the color of the background of our logo. In our case, we will not change the background since this background is the best fit. Once we're all done, we can now click the preview button at the upper right of the screen to see all the results and outcome of our logo. If you're satisfied with all of the results, you can now click the download button and choose whatever the type of file you want to download. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Renderforest.com to bring your ideas to life. We hope that we help you. Watch other AI Force Hub tutorials to learn more features about Renderforest. Start using Renderforest with the link below and discover more AI secrets at AIForceHub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels and let's continue to shape the future together.